Everyone has an interest in traveling both locally and internationally. Flying through the sky, surfing through the clouds, and enjoying the long hours flight, being amazed by the view, are just few of the things considered to be one of the most memorable experience anyone could ever have. Riding an airplane is nice, but have you ever wondered about the things that composes an aircraft?
Good day, I am Charlene Reyes, an aeronautical engineering student from 20 BSAE 1B, and I'm about to discuss the 5 major components of an aircraft. The 5 major components of an aircraft are fuselage, wings, empennage, power plant, and the landing gear. First is the fuselage. The fuselage is the large outer shell that encompasses an airplane's main body. It features a hollow interior in which seats as well as other equipment is housed. The fuselage is the long, narrow tube that carries passengers and cargo. It is also referred to as an aircraft's body. The cockpit is located in this area, so the pilots are in front of the fuselage. Despite the fact that fuselage come in a variety of shapes and sizes, they all serve to connect the major components of an airplane. This is the aircraft component that most people are most familiar with as passengers out of the 5 major components of an airplane. Second is wings. The wings of the airplanes are their most identifiable parts. These wings work just like those of a bird to lift the plane into the air and control the airflow as the plane flies. Wings are also known as foils, are one of the most important part of an aircraft for flight that are located outside. The majority of the lifting force required for flight is generated by the airflow over the wings. Along with the large wings that stem from the middle of the fuselage, most aircraft also have 2 smaller wings at the tail. Airplane wings that is appearing to be simple are one of the many parts of a plane that have necessitated tremendous engineering feats. Next is empennage. The empennage is the name given to the entire tail section of the aircraft, including both the horizontal and vertical stabilizers, the rudder, and the elevator. The empennage is positioned at the aircraft's back portion. Its 2 main components are the rudder and elevator that contributes to the plane's stabilization. The rudder aids in steering from right to left, and the elevator helps in changing elevation. The 4th major component of an aircraft is the power plant. In simple terms, an aircraft power plant is an engine. It is made up of many components such as cylinders, pistons, and fans which help produce the energy needed to propel an aircraft. These aircraft engine parts work together to generate an aircraft's power or thrust. The power plant contains numerous complexities that assist in the powering of the aircraft, such as various aircraft fuel system components. The last major component of an aircraft is the landing gear. Aircraft landing gear supports the entire weight of an aircraft during landing and ground operations. If you don't have landing gear, you can't have a safe plane. These components are not only required for landing, but they are also used to assist an aircraft in taking off and taxiing. The landing gear includes shock absorbers for a smooth landing and takeoff, as well as the plane's wheels. Basically, landing gears are responsible for the aircraft's movement on the ground. All of these components are necessary for the proper functioning of an aircraft. The loss of one of these could have devastating effects for an aircraft. I hope you learned something from this video. Again, I am Charlene Reyes, a BS Aeronautical Engineering 1B student. Thank you for watching.